Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showing you how to make these really cute and super simple and quick cat earrings. For these you're going to need yarn, earring hooks, your crochet hook, crochet needle, and some scissors. If you like this tutorial, please like it and hit the subscribe button. Alright, let's begin. To start, we're going to make a magic ring. And if you're not familiar with how to make a magic ring, I have a playlist that shows all the basic crochet stitches that I commonly use, including this magic ring. From here, what we're going to do next is chain 1, and then 4 double crochets inside the magic ring. For the double crochet, you're going to do a yarn over. Insert the hook into the magic ring, grab the yarn, pull it through until you have 3 loops on the hook, and then grab the yarn over, pull through, and then pull through 2 more. So that's 1 double crochet. Once we've completed the 4 double crochets, we can tighten the ring a little and then do 3 chains. 1, 2, 3, and then we're going to insert the hook in that first chain that we made, and then grab the yarn, pull it through. Now you have 2 loops on the hook, grab the yarn, and then pull through 2. So that's a single crochet. Next, we're going to do 1 more single crochet, but into that last double crochet we did. So same thing, insert the hook into that double crochet, grab the yarn, pull through, and then pull through both loops. So that's the first ear of the cat. From here, we're going to do 2 more double crochets. That's 1. And here's the second one. And then 3 chains. So we're beginning the second ear. From here, let's do the same thing. Insert the hook into that first chain you made and do a single crochet. We repeat the same thing as before. Insert the hook in that last double crochet you just made before. Grab the yarn and do 1 more single crochet. So that's your second cat ear. From here, let's do 3 more double crochets. 1, 2, and that's the third one. Next, we're going to tighten the magic ring. We're going to close it off completely by pulling tightly on that thread. And then to finish it off, we're going to do a slip stitch into that first double crochet, on top of that first double crochet we made. And let's just pull the yarn a little bit, and that's your cat. Now let's cut the yarn, and the last thing you would like to do with it is hide it in the back. Same thing with the magic ring tail end. To hide the tail ends, you can use a smaller crochet hook, or my preference is to use a crochet needle as it's a bit more neat. So I'll just grab one of my crochet needles. For this yarn, this is an acrylic yarn. I need one that is a little bit bigger to handle this type of thread and just weave the yarn behind on the back of your work. Once you have finished hiding the first tail end in the back, just simply cut the excess thread, excess yarn with your scissors, and you can continue hiding the second tail end. As you can see, my magic ring tail end ended up a little too short, so I have to thread the needle first and then pull it through. Don't pull too hard because you'll scrunch the bottom of the cat face, so just gently weave that in the back. And there, now you have this little tiny cat. The only thing that is left is to attach it to an earring hook or an earring pin. So for this, I'm going to use an earring hook. Just gently open it by using small jewelry pliers. Attach it to the middle of the top of the head of the cat and close it back up very carefully so you don't scrunch the entire earring hook. What I'm going to do next is make the second cat earring, and that part I'll speed up because it repeats the same exact pattern. What I would recommend is blocking this pattern. What I did at the very end after I finished the second cat earring and I attached the hook is place it on a block, stretch it out a little bit, especially on the ear side, so they become a bit more pointy. And then I sprayed it with a fabric stiffener, and that is going to help you just keep the shape, keep it flat also. So I definitely recommend doing that once you finish the second earring. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like it and subscribe to my channel to support it. And I hope to see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.